Hi, I'm Chris Eyert, the Worldwide Product Marketing Manager for the Xerox Baltoro HF Inkjet Press. Today, what I'm going to show you is how to make a booklet using a nearline Bourg Booklet Maker. Let's go ahead and get started. In the Bourg Booklet Maker interface, this is where I program my covers, my book block, the thickness of the book, the weight, and more. I put the covers in the top area here, the Bourg sheet feeder. Then I'm going to grab my book block off the Baltoro stacker. Now I'm going to load my book block carefully into the high pile area. Then I simply hit the green button to start the booklet making process. So that's it, folks. This is an example of how to use the Bourg Booklet Maker with the Baltoro HF Inkjet Press. Thanks.